Women, what did you find out about men when you got a boyfriend? 1. Sometimes they really do just be thinking about nothing. 2. They would rather break both of their arms than bring the groceries and multiple trips. I have no complaints. I'm just concerned sometimes. 3. That they will sit on the juiciest piece of gossip, but when you ask for details they know nothing. What do you mean you didn't ask every single little detail? 4. How strong they are. I knew men were stronger on average than women, but I didn't really understand how big the gap was until I met my now husband. 5. How little they worry about their health. I'm over here going to the doctor for every weird twinge or skin lesion, and then my husband over there was totally chill about not going to the doctor for the better part of a decade until I made him go. 6. That at least some of them actually, like the manly side of gender role stuff. I always assumed my dad was just antiquated when he talked about how men love providing for women, feeling useful or needed, making them feel